Hello. So in this video, what I have in front of me and what I am going to be discussing about is the Jergens Skin Firming Toning Moisturizing Lotion, and it reduces appearance of cellulite for visible firmer skin with collagen and elastin. And the size of this is 16.8 ounces. And this is what it looks like when I zoom it back, so you can see. And on the back, it gives a description of what it's for and definitely the ingredients. And as you can see, it's dermatologist tested, so people with sensitive skin as well, you can definitely use this. But this skin firming moisturizer helps you achieve deeply luminous, visible, firmer skin. So I've been using this lotion for about 3 months, and I've mostly only used this lotion only when I feel like my face is dry. In the daytime, in the morning, I don't put this on my face. At night, just because I like giving my face like a break from any lotion. But if it's dry, I do tend to use a shea butter. Another thing what I like about this lotion is that it has a very light scent smell to it. Like, it's not really strong fragrance, as you can say. Like, it has a very light scent to it. So, and especially, I don't really like lotions with a lot of heavy scents because I feel like it's fragrance and it'll kind of like break me out, but whatever. But yeah, you can actually use this like on your body, you can use this on your face. I mostly use this for my face, even though I'm young. I mean, I like experimenting with different lotions and stuff like that, but only like, you know, if I know like it's nothing like really heavy as far as like scented wise and stuff. Yep. And since it has like collagen in it and elastin, it tightens and increases elasticity of cellulite prone skin for visible firmer results. So, you know, if you feel as though your skin may be like loose, whatever, this will be an ideal type of lotion. Especially, Jesus, sometimes I talk so fast. It's a toning moisturizer for someone that's looking for like a toning type thing, whatever. So, how I heard about Jergens in the first place? My mom loves Jergens products. So, and it's funny because she'll be halfway done with one bottle, and then she'll like get another one. Like, ooh, this is new. So I already went over about when I use it, just mostly just in the morning. If I feel like I'm going somewhere, other than that, I really don't use it. Since I said the smell is really light, and I'm gonna apply some on so you kind of see the consistency of it. So it smells really light, like one of those lotions that you may smell like in the mall. Those light lotions. So it's not really sticky, and it leaves your skin feeling very moisturized. So, and then let's see, yeah, so it's not really a greasy feel at all, and it's really light, not heavy at all. So I really don't have any complaints about Jergens. I know that Jergens have another, I believe, like a skin moisturizing product. It's funny because when I was like looking up information, I actually saw some info or some history about, first it was a Jergens like soap company at first, and I was like, okay, so they made soap, you know, earlier in the days, but Jergens has been around since like, well, for lotion, I believe. I think with the soaps it was a little bit earlier, but 1901, and the founder was Andrew Jergens. And then I was looking at more information. I believe another company, you know, branched with that, and I believe the company is on the back. I think this is the one right here, I believe. I think. Don't get me lying. Definitely do your research. And oh, my nails need to be done. Oh, okay. Anyway, so but yeah, the person behind Jergens' name, and yep, it's a he, Andrew Jergens. So yeah, just can't say all females may make cosmetics and beauty products and even clothing too. Like a lot of times for women's clothing, men do it too. But yeah, so anyway, I will say I like it actually better. You don't really need a lot, because I know when my face was really dry, I was like, let me soak my face in the lotion, and it did look a little really shiny and really oily. So you really want to be careful with using this product. A little goes a very long way. Even if you have dry skin, it really does. So you really just need about like that much. Maybe, yeah, for like your whole face, especially if it's really dry. But yeah, I mean, I really don't have any complaints with Jergens. So again, this is the Jergens Skin Firming Toning Moisturizer.